Jay Woods here, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia and Cards. We're going to do another box of Trilogy Hockey for coopdizzle. We're going to start out with the free pack. Nugent Hopkins, Connor Hellebuck, Jake Allen, and next in line, Connor McDavid. Nice free pack hit. Connor on the free pack. On to your box. Let's pull another Connor. Come on. Come on, dual Connors. A. Alright. We have Carey Price. Then we have Kari Lehtinen. 510 games played, so it's numbered 391 of 510 on the Kari Lehtinen. Carlson and Zetterberg. Ryan Johansson, Mike Lewitt, and Jake Bertanen. Rookie Premier's autograph out of 199. This one is 11. 11 of 199. Kept that one all on sticker. What? Steven, what? I don't understand that statement, Steven. Slater Kokok, level 1, 143 of 999. Steven, I don't understand what you said. 143 of 199. Patrick Waugh. Sedin, Thornton, and 405 career shots on goal. So this is number to 405, Mika Zibanejad? 108 of 405, Mika Zibanejad. I didn't see you jump in, Steven. I've been breaking. But hello, sir. Ryan Strome and Henrik Lundqvist. Bork and Daniel Sprong, level 1, 437 of 499. Then Jake Allen and Gustav Nyquist. Couturier and puck autograph. Not numbered. Jacob Vertanen. Signature pucks. That's a cool card. That was small. This one is large. Jake Bertanen. Autograph and base of Seguin, Ward, and Newcomb. Van Riemsdyk, Molson, McKinnon, and Stamkos, 52 of 108, because he debuted in 2008-2009. 52 of 108, one color, Steven Stamkos. Yager, Horvat, and Larkin, level 1 jersey. That is 506 of 599. Dylan Larkin. That is a super thick card just for a jersey. Dylan Larkin. And Parise, Yager, and Horvat. No more in there. Alright, thanks again, Coop. Appreciate it, man.